Martinez with you today. We're going to do an easy snack. It's watermelon, and we're going to do little cookie cutter shapes for the watermelon. I used snowflake, whatever cookie cutters that you have. I used just several. One thing we need to do is to make sure that first of all you wash your hands, wear gloves if you have, and if you have watermelon at home, make sure that mom or dad slices it in the whole piece, big slices. Then what you do is you're going to get any kind of cookie cutter that you would have home. I'm going to use this big one, and what I did is I centered it in the middle and I pressed down. Carefully you pull it out, and as you can see we have a little star watermelon. And then next I will insert a popsicle stick. And there you go. I did some more. I used several of these. Any leftover pieces I made I used the small cookie cutters. Any shape that you want, you can, if you don't have anything, you can do circles. And that's it for today, boys and girls. I hope you have a safe day and enjoy it, and hopefully soon we'll see each other.